Use the liquid left in the wet wipes container to disinfect your toilet brush. With a little rock salt and essential oil, you can instantly eliminate unpleasant odors coming from your shoes. It is important to clean your makeup brushes regularly. Using Marseille soap, you can clean your brushes thoroughly. Tidy up your closet using this hack for hanging up long coats. Wow, ingenious! Reorganize the cabinet under the sink intelligently. Use a chest of drawers. Fantastic! Do you have any leftovers in a tin can? Don't put it back in the fridge. Transfer the food to an airtight container to keep it fresh for longer. Using this space-saving method, you can store bags in a small container. There! Done! Did you know that if you rub the top of a cucumber like this, it will taste less bitter? Blunt knife? Wash an egg thoroughly and use the shell to sharpen the blade. Guaranteed to work. Here's a super simple recipe that you'll definitely want to try. Looks absolutely delicious! Bread exposed to air tends to get moldy much more quickly. An airtight container will protect your bread from moisture and mold. And it's more convenient to use.